So first thing I'm going to do this question, what I'm doing, 7, 13, and 16. So question 7, I think we more or less did yesterday. Okay, it's 4x plus 3y minus 24 equals 0. Now what I'm going to do first is going to put x equals 0. And when I put down x equals 0, what's going to happen? We're going to have 4 times 0 plus 3y minus 24 equals 0. We're going to then have 3y equals 24. Then we're going to have y equals 8. This means this is the point 0, 8. Everybody okay with that? 0, 8. Next thing, I'm then going to try y equals 0. And when I try y equals 0, what happens is it's going to be 4x plus 3 times 0. And what's the other one? Minus 24 equals 0. It all goes in evenly, which means there's no real problem here. Are you looking? X equals 6, so that's the point 6, 0. I then go to my graph. I draw the point, what's a 6, 0 to 0, 8. So I'm going to draw 6, 0, which is here. And then I'm going to go up to 0, 8. And that's that there. Okay.
Right, sir.
One sec, Joe. Okay, that makes no sense. Let's try this again. Alright. Sorry guys, go and try this one more time. 6, 0 to 0, 8, wasn't it?
Yeah.
0, 8's out of the picture now. That's not great. Sorry, just guessing on where I was there. Oh, I missed it. Alright, so 6, 0 to 0, 8. Joe, you have a question for me?
Yeah, do you have the line not just end like from A?
It should go straight through because the lines are forever. Okay? So keep going straight through. So everybody, just keep going straight through both points. Make sure it's continuous. Is that alright?
Okay.
You only have to go a bit further, not too much further. Alright, we're going to do the second question now. Second question is y equals 3x plus 2. Now this is going to be, there's going to be a fraction here, and the fraction is the problem, okay? So here's what's going to happen to me here. Is that when y equals, the y value equals 3 times the x value plus 2. If I put x equals 0, it's really easy because x equals 0 will be y equals 3 times 0 plus 2. Y equals 2. So that's simply the point 0, 2. The problem rears its head when I put y equal to 0. So when I put y equals 0, what happens next is it's going to be 0 equals 3x plus 2. Bring the 2 over to your side, or bring the 3 over to your side, whatever you want. Then I'm going to get 3x equals minus 2. And then I'm going to get x equals minus 2 over 3. Now, I'm not wrong, but what's the problem? It's hard to graph minus 2 over 3. So what am I going to do instead? Yes. I'm going to make up a third point. I'm going to pick an x value. Because it's just y equals 3 times the x value plus 2. So I can pick any number I want. I don't want to make it too big. Why do I not want to pick x equals 100? I have to draw across 100 blocks. I don't want that. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick 1 or 2. Just pick 1. And then I'm going to get 3 plus 2. 5. Would you agree with that? So I have the point 0, 5. I now have 3 points instead of 2. Okay? But 2 of the points are easy to draw. So I'd say that this point here, that is the wrong color to use. This point here is easy to draw. This point here is easy to draw. What's that? Oh, sorry, that's not 0, 5. It's 1, 5, isn't it? Because I chose 1. My fault. I chose x equals 1, so that means it's 1, 5. And then that's the third point, which is difficult to draw, so I'm not going to draw that one. 0, 2, 1, 5. Let's find out. 0, 2 is located where, guys? 0, 2, yeah. Where's 1, 5? There, yeah. And where did we say our x-intercept was? Minus 2/3 and 0. See the way that's roughly at minus 2/3? Everybody cool with that? Okay, brilliant. Last one. Y equals 4x plus 3. How do I know I'm going to get a fraction this time? I already know I'm going to get a fraction. How do I know I'm getting a fraction straight away? Huh? Yeah, and the numbers aren't really that nice. So here's what's going to happen. 4 won't divide into 3. See the way 3 doesn't divide into 2? I know that 4 won't divide into 3 either. So I know I'm going to get an irregular point. So I'll start off easy. I'll start off with x equals 0. What happens when you start off with x equals 0? You're going to get y equals minus 4 times 0. And then what else? And then you're going to get y equals 3. So that's the point 0, 3. I won't bother with, why am I not going to bother with y equals 0? I'm going to get a fraction, so I'm not even going to bother. Pick x equals 2. Or x equals 1. Whatever you want to do. I'll use x equals 1 if you want. So what do I get this time? Y equals minus 4 times 1 plus 3. What's minus 4 plus 3? Minus 1. What's this point? 1 minus 1. I'm now going to draw 0, 3 and 1 minus 1. So 0, 3 is located here. What's the other one? 1 minus 1. It's located down there. So that's your line for that one. 0, 3 and 1 minus 1. Everybody alright with that? You good? Alright.